welcome back to my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. Today's video is going to be another what I eat in a day, low carb, keto friendly. If you are watching this video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching me, for liking my videos, the ones that comment all the time, thank you, and for the ones that watch religiously, literally since the beginning, but you guys never comment. I also want to thank you guys too, and just everyone, every single person that watches me, follows me. I just really appreciate your support, and I hope that my videos can help you guys, whether you're on a weight loss journey, trying to figure out, you know, low carb keto friendly ideas, if you're a diabetic and just trying to figure out meals with less sugar, or if you just love watching me, thank you so much. But yeah, today I'm gonna take you guys along and show you guys what I eat in a day. So if you ask me what my favorite keto friendly or low carb item, food item is, like in the whole entire world, it is this. These are carb balance low carb tortillas. They come in many different flavors. This one is the flour, but they come in like spinach and herb, tomato, sun-dried tomato, wheat. Like they come in so many different like flavors, but right now we are using flour, and the reason I love this and I would have to choose this to be like my favorite low carb like food item is because I could literally make so many things with this. Breakfast burritos, tortilla chips like in my last video, pizza, quesadillas. Like literally this is like the holy grail for me. So anyways, I just wanted to share that. This one only has 4 grams of net carbs because it's filled with fiber. Fiber helps calculate the net carbs in foods. So if there's lots of fiber, you'll subtract the fiber from the total carbs, and then you'll get the net carbs. So that's why this one only has 4 grams of net carbs. But anyway, let's make breakfast. I think I'm gonna make my usual, which is a breakfast burrito, but we'll kind of switch it up a little bit today. I have some fresh veggies, so we'll add some veggies in there. But yeah, let's make breakfast. So we have our low carb tortilla here. We're gonna do mayo. We're just gonna add our egg with cheese. I'm gonna add some tomatoes right on top. And we're gonna add some cilantro. Or if you're not from the US, I think this is called, I don't even know how to say it, coriander? Something like that. I don't know, I feel like this might not fit everything, but we're gonna try. We're gonna put 2 pieces of sausage in here, and we're gonna try to wrap this bad boy up. We're gonna try our best. There we go. And then give this a nice little, ooh, look at that. And this is breakfast today, guys. Just a little egg burrito with cilantro, tomatoes, sausage with a low carb tortilla. Oh, this looks good. My mouth is like drooling. I'm drooling. I don't have to cook these. These are already pre-packaged foods. So that means I don't have to freaking cook. No prep, no mess. Heat up in 2 minutes. Thank God. Wow. As you guys can see, I'm so excited about my Factor box because no matter what your lifestyle is, Factor has delicious flavor-packed meals to help you live it to the fullest with keto, calorie smart, vegan and veggie, and protein plus options on the menu each week. These meals are prepared by chefs and approved by dietitians, so each meal has all of the ingredients you need to feel satisfied all day long. Factor makes it so easy for me to reach my nutrition goals. Because I chose the keto lifestyle meals, they are labeled with net carbs and calories, which are the two macros that I track daily. It is lunchtime and I'm in a rush because I have to go get Micah from the bus stop, but I'm starving. So we're gonna have one of these Factor meals and I'm kind of torn on which one I want to eat, but I do have to hurry. This one is the spicy poblano beef bowl and it comes with roasted broccoli rice and scallion sour cream. This whole thing only has 10 grams of net carbs. And then this one is the jalapeno lime cheddar chicken, and this comes with spicy cilantro cauliflower rice. So okay, I've decided we're gonna have the jalapeno lime chicken. I'm gonna throw this in the microwave. Literally only takes 2 minutes, so. Guys, look at this. We're gonna give it a nice little mix. Look at this, guys. It is so creamy. So delicious. I literally didn't even have to think. I didn't have to make this. I just literally threw it in the microwave. I just love how quick and simple this is. You guys know that I love ordering out. I love going through the drive-thru, and that's just like my quick go-to. But with Factor, this is so much cheaper, much easier. I don't have to wait in line. I don't have to wait for it to be delivered. Literally, I just pop this in the microwave for 2 minutes and this delicious keto-friendly meal is already here and ready for me to eat. Woo. Look at this cauli rice, cilantro cauli rice. When I got my Factor box in the meal, I literally had like maybe 6 or 7 meals and I'm down to 1, and it's literally only been like 5 days. So I need to order more because this is literally just, it's very life-changing. And the meals are so good. I also want you guys to try Factor, so head to factor75.com. Use my code KIM50 to get 50% off of your first Factor box. Again, head over to factor75.com. Use my code KIM50 to get 50% off of your first Factor box. I'll have everything linked below in my description box, but seriously guys, get Factor. You can enjoy clean eating without the hassle, and your meals are delivered right to your door, ready in 2 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna finish lunch and I'll see you guys at dinner. Literally scraping every drop of sauce because it's so good. Anyways, let's head out the door. I have to go get Micah. So I'm just cutting these pineapples up and throwing them in a container because if I keep them in here, I'm not gonna eat it. And I don't know why, it's like a mind game. So the one thing I really do miss because I'm doing keto is like my fruits, like pineapples, apples, bananas. Oh my gosh, I miss bananas. And I do have a banana like once in a while. And I'm obviously going to eat pineapples, you know, but when I am on a strict low carb day, I don't. But like, you know, I don't like deprive myself every single day. So I do love to enjoy my bananas and my fruit. And I don't know if this is going to fit, maybe not. And I am not saying at all that fruit is bad for you. Literally, fruit is the best thing for you. It has so many nutrients, vitamins. It's packed with so many great things, but I just choose not to because it is filled with sugar. And even though it's not like refined sugar, it still does have lots of sugar and carbs. So that's why I kind of refrain from enjoying this all the time. But again, you know, once in a while I do have my fruits. Oh, I'm blurry. There we go. It's time for dinner. It's a little bit past 5 and we are going to be making Tuscan salmon, and I am so excited for dinner because I've been watching so many TikToks on how to make it with salmon. I've actually never made it with salmon. I've only made Tuscan chicken, so this is my first time. And I'm also going to be making a YouTube shorts on how I make it. It's like a 60-second like how I make it, so I'll link it here if you guys want to watch that for a 60-second quick how-to. But yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so we are gonna pair this with rice cauliflower. This has asparagus and mushrooms, and this one we just throw in the microwave. So we'll throw this in the microwave. If you're not doing keto or low carb, you can boil some pasta, spaghetti noodles, penne pasta, and enjoy. Sorry guys, I have Kyrie here. And you can enjoy your Tuscan salmon with pasta. But since we're living a low carb lifestyle, we're gonna do cauliflower rice. So I like to drain the cauliflower rice because, as you guys can see, it's just very watery. Okay. Okay guys, this is dinner. Tuscan salmon with cauliflower rice. Let's take a bite together. Okay guys, let's try. Oh, this looks so good. I'm so excited about this. Dip it in a little cream sauce. Oh, that hits the spot. Cauli rice. Chef's kiss. This is so freaking good. I'm gonna add more of the sauce on top because that sauce is really good. Try this at home, guys. It's keto friendly, it's a low carb, and if you love salmon, you're tired of air frying salmon like me, Tuscan salmon. It's so simple to make. It sounds very intimidating, but I promise you it is so easy and so quick to make. Okay guys, I am full. I'm going to clean up the kitchen because it's crazy right now, but thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys are able to get a few ideas of before my battery dies again. The Tuscan salmon was a chef's kiss. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Why don't we go back to never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something